What I want to do today is to continue to ask questions and continue to ask for help and continue to try to get people on board to try to pull the wagon across the bridge.
In the traditional classroom, you're studying definitions, you're studying what somebody else did in a book, and then you're hopefully being allowed to answer questions about that. That's your nuts and bolts science class. This is more about trying things, experimenting with them, prototyping, seeing if they work, tweaking them. And what we learn is, what we thought was the answer may not be the answer. That's true science.
I'm hoping that our students upstairs will be future teachers, will be future scientists, doctors. These are things that our kids have never thought that they could be exposed to. So I'm hoping that one day they're the engineers, right, straight out of the Bronx.
The idea of giving students relevant information, relevant activities, instead of just plug and chug regurgitation of math problems or science problems, but having them actually be able to think is really important. Even if it matters just to keep them in school, just to keep them coming, to be here, to then become inspired 2 years down the line or a month down the line or a week down the line. We have to give them the setting so that they can blossom.
I enjoy hands-on activities because I'm a very hyper person. So when I do work, it's like I don't want to sit down on a class every single time. I want to be able to get up, be able to move around. Working on a paper or on a laptop doesn't really help me much. It mostly makes me feel fuzzy, so when I'm moving around and actually touching things and learning, I feel joy.
Maybe STEM or just people guiding women in general could bring us to that point where we can get those jobs and there will be more women doing those jobs, and that percentage that's low will be higher one day.
We don't want anyone to fail. If we're all human, we're together. Maybe it might be one kind of community or maybe a race or religion, ethnics, or whatever it is. We're still people, and we should all help each other out. We should all pull up everyone to their limits.
Have you ever heard of diversity and inclusion?
No, I haven't.
You just described it.
How do I get you to say yes for support? How do I get you on the other side of the bridge with me holding hands so that we can be stronger and get the things done necessary to make us and make this place a better place to live and make us a stronger place, a stronger nation where we can enjoy and get more out of life with.
Thanks for your time.